What do you mean, bro? Nasa gym ako. Nasa gym ako. What? Wala akong trabaho ngayon, gago. This boy calling me at work, bro. I'm already at work. What the fuck you mean, boy? Alright. Friday. Welcome to another vlog. Yeah. Nasa break po kami. Yon. Not too many friends, just gang. Hey. Yeah. Been working my ass off for this dollar. Making more money, making more problems. Hey. This is my first job today. And then pagkatapos dito, pupunta ako sa second job ko. Which you guys gonna see pagkatapos ko dito. I'm on break right now, tapi ako kakain. No, you man! Sana. Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys right now to a journey. Cause yung kaibigan ko, he found out na may nahanap siyang wallet. And then, there's like $920 he found like $920 in a wallet, bro. But yeah, libre niya yung subway ngayon. So, pupunta kami ng subway.
So that nigga is so bad.
Hey, stop saying the N-word, bro. But yeah, this boy is my friend Alex.
Yeah, I'm Alex.
He gay and proud.
Say it again.
He gay and proud.
Yeah, I am, but
I support this
what
guy,
can
bro.
I do?
Let's go. Let's go to Subway, bro. Yo, my shit fucking weird, man. This is DC na ano, like umaga ng DC. Ito yung trabaho ko. Pag di mo pa kilala yung kaibigan ko, who are you, bro? Ito pala si Yul. My boy, Yul. Reppin' the... Oy, Ilo-Ilo. Ngayon, Ilo-Ilo. Ilocos.
The fuck, bro?
Ilocos, di ba?
Hindi.
Saan ba?
I'm from Kalinga, bro.
Kalinga.
Kabuk.
Kalinga. Kalinga.
Fuck Kalinga.
Kalinga, bro. But yeah,
Northern part.
Northern Kalinga. Okay. Reppin' that land, bro. Kaya pumunta kami ng subway ngayon kasi like, yan nga, nang libre yung kaibigan ko. Swerte siya eh. Di ba? Utang ina.
Kapulit ng 900, bro.
920 pa.
$20.
That shit, bro. Damn, yung subway nandun. But yeah. People looking at me weird, bro. God damn, that shit weird too.
Tuna and bacon. Tuna and bacon.
Babagal mag-order eh. Bagal mag-order.
Ayun, sobra pala.
Ha?
Sobra pala.
Ano yung sobra? Okay na.
Sabihin ko kay Fernando, baka
Oh, magkano ba to? Damn, bro, my stomach hurts.
kumain ka kasi, bro.
Hindi, ano to eh. Like yung kakagising mo lang, hindi parang uutot ka, tapos di lalabas namin. Yung utot mo, tapos di lalabas, then sasakit yung tiyan mo. Iutot ko lang to, and then wala na to. I'm telling you, bro. Ay, tapos na kami mag-order. Ito na yung pagkain niya, happy-happy ng gago. Ano? Libreng pag... Lahat ng libre. Sarap. We jaywalking in this bitch. Sabihin nyo pala yung mga gusto nyo makita sa mga vlogs ko, man. Cause like, my shit be boring as fuck, to be honest. Like, shit, bro.
Paulit-ulit sinasabi.
Paulit-ulit. May trabaho ako, dalawang trabaho. May dalawang trabaho
Dito na
na.
ako sa isang trabaho.
Oh, sa trabaho meron ako dito.
Tapos mamaya, dito na ulit sa isang trabaho. So, dalawang trabaho ko nga, guys.
Oh, so dalawang trabaho nga ako. So, 3 araw akong tatrabaho sa isa. Putang na, ulit-ulit eh. Puta. I'm back and I'm black. Look at this unhealthy people. I'm eating and...
Bro, no.
Alright, give us a review of your food, bro.
You want me to explain what is it?
Yeah, explain it to my people. They're Filipinos. And that's
they are?
Hispanic food, right?
Alright, so I'm eating like, the name is pupusas. Are you recording?
That's recording, bro.
Alright. So, this is pupusas. It's like a tortilla with has beans and cheese inside. It's a lot of kind of pupusas. And what else can I say? This is from Salvador. I'm from another country, but I can eat it. From where?
You're from Mars, right?
I'm from Honduras.
You're from Honduras?
Yeah.
Too, bro.
And this is a Starbucks.
They know we have Starbucks in Philippines, bro. What the fuck is you doing, man?
I didn't know they have Starbucks over there.
They don't know this. What is this?
Oh, this is the sauce when we eat the pupusas.
I thought it was a
We put it on top. That's not, bro. No more.
It's like 5 stars or 6.
This is 5 stars.
5 stars for you?
Yes. And my country have baleada. They have to figure it out what is baleada.
Damn, bruh. What's up, guys? Yeah. Pinaklack out ako ng medyo maaga. Like, an hour early ako pinaklack out kasi di naman busy, so that's I'm early. Then, sa next trabaho ko is at 5. So, chill lang muna ako. Babasa ng libro. I have to do some errands. And then, I'm gonna show you guys sa mga errands kung pupuntahan. Not me. And I'm just gonna change up. What's up, man? You have gas? Like, not cartridge gas. Cart? You have cart? Na ako. Ito sa isang trabaho. Alright, I'm gonna show you something, okay? Cause this, we have a rapper in the Philippines that he got caught selling drugs, but he doesn't really do it. He got framed up. Yeah, and they said it's a high grade like type of strain. But I want to see your reaction seeing it, bruh. Look, is this even high grade?
Oh nah, bro. That looks. Oh nah. That looks like they picked it up off a floor.
What the fuck? I'm gonna show you guys what high grade looks like, bro. Oh my god.
That ass looks like some shit.
This
found
is
on the
like-
floor.
It's like weed like that, bro.
Yeah, like weeds.
Like weeds, bro. He got framed up for this shit. Like this is not even worth like $1. Oh, Ever is there, bro. He just popped up. What the fuck? Alright, ito pa yung high grade na marijuana or kush na sinasabi ng putang ng pideya, no? Wait, let me see that. Let me see a nugget. Here, bruh. That's it. That's close to high grade, bro. Fucking lit, bro. Ever, what is you doing, man? Here.
What do you mean, what am I doing? What's up with you?
Recording a vlog.
Why?
Cause some dumbass people in Philippines keep framing my friends because of a fake ass marijuana. Oh, I'm gonna show you the picture, bruh. Look at the picture, bruh.
It's good weed.
They,
And they said it was like high grade stuff.
yeah, they were like, oh, a rapper was selling weed and it's a high grade kush, but it's not even like. Bro, I'm gonna show you, bro.
It doesn't even look like it?
No.
That ass looks like inside.
Yeah, that's purple
It's called purple cookie.
cookie. I heard of that.
I got something, what's it called?
Look, this, bro. Look. Look.
Rapper N.A. Nasty Looney.
Yeah, it's like
fuck?
a rapper named Looney got caught selling high grade marijuana, and that's the picture they're showing, bro. That's not even high grade. That's like close to high grade right there.
That's dirt.
It is dirt. Like, he's like doo-doo. Doo-doo marijuana. The fuck, bro? Tang inang Pokemon na yan, oh. Mga dick.
Remember, if it doesn't turn yellow by halfway there, just get out.
Fucking nerds, bro.
No, because the other guy left, so we won't be able to.
Yeah,
There's 6 of
we
us.
like need another person.
Yeah, and that person has to be like recording.
Shit. Alright guys. Alright, see you Sunday.
Step back to allow customers to exit.
Currently sa trabaho na ako. I'm clock 10 and shit. Yung tubig. Pakita ko siya yung tubig ulit. Yeah. A pier. Wanna count up here? Sana. May jokes po ako, guys. Okay? If gets niyo yung joke ko, so comment na lang pag na-gets niyo, okay? So, ulitin ko yung joke. A pier. Wanna come out here? Ay, sige. See you na lang paglabas ko. What the fuck? The fuck is this shit? I just changed. And yeah, I'm gonna head out to my friends. Mamaya. But yeah guys, so yung mga kaibigan ko di pa dumating, mga putang inang yan, bagal eh. So FaceTime ko yung isa ng kaibigan ko. Ano, famous eh, ano. And then yeah, palakad kami tungo doon. That way. And
I said that way.
okay, nandito na yung bus, nakasayang bus patungong train station. Then sasakyan na ni Bless patungong sa station. And I'm gonna wait here for the friends kasi patungin ng babagal eh. So yeah. Oh, new. Hi Bless. See you bukas.
Bukas.
Ingat.
For the dog.
Don't do bad things. Sag na. Okay, antayin na lang ako dito. Tayo na tol. Alam nyo, may tama ako ngayon. And then, yung taong yun nakatingin lang sa akin. Because I'm talking to the camera. Tanga na mo. Tingnan mo. Tangan na nyo ah. Nakadesisyon kayo pumunta dito. Ha?
How you doing, bro?
Good.
Sana yung babae ko?
Umalis na.
What?
Pinalis ko na.
Why?
Pinalis ko lang. May pamilya yun, gago.
Meron ba, meron?
Oo,
Alam
may
ko.
anak yun.
Basta gago.
Tang ina, yung buhok yan?
Ay naman, isa sa namin na pudpad eh.
Tara.
Saan tayo?
Let's go somewhere.
Saan?
Hello guys, nagbabalik kami. Yung mga Pilipino.
Tama ako ngayon.
Saan?
Meron ka ba dala?
Saan Karamay?
Meron ako dala ngayon. Sino may letter? Wala.
Ha? Dali lang yan. Alam mo yung mga bato, kikis-kasi mo lang yan eh.
Gago. The fuck?
You live here bro. Pero mga natotal.
Tang ina, gagamitin ko nga eh.
Pero.
Bro!
Lamig.
Lamig, gago.
Oh, you owe me earrings, boy. Ay, nalang to.
Hey, shut the fuck up. I didn't know we're gonna meet, bro. Bibigyan niya sana kita diswelto eh, gagi.
Pakita mo ako sa camera mo ulit.
Tang ina yung popogi niya naman eh.
Ito dapat thumbnail natin to. Ito ang pang pochi.
Fuck Pidaya, free loony.
Fuck.
Si Looney. Sabi niya, di naman sa akin yun eh. Kasi ano yun?
Sinetap lang ako sa...
Hindi yun, tol. Huli yun.
Tanga,
Ito
addict naman talaga yun eh.
Yeah, nagtuturok yun eh.
Yeah, dude.
I don't know.
Most of the rappers in
Uy,
Philippines
ganun ka
are
kasi, no? Yun yung
stoners
idol
as
mo yun eh.
fuck, dude. Like,
Siyempre, Cebuano yun eh.
Cebuano. Cebuano represent.
Pataas. Sana, power.
Is he actually from
Mga
Cebu?
regalo
Oh.
bibigay ko sa
Taga Cebu.
iyo.
Then,
Baka
lumaki
pwede
lang siya
na
siguro
baka.
sa like Luzon.
Fuck that dude, bro.
Lagi may camera eh, no?
Siyempre,
Ang ina yan eh,
bagong vlog na naman.
Ano yung vlogger yung gago na yung pag yumaman yan, gago.
Kaso hindi mo
Sisiraan ko yan, tol. Hindi ko
naman-
addict yan, tang.
Tang, ina nga. Pinapakita ko nga na, pinakompara ko yung
Ano?
yung,
Tayo na yun, no?
pinakita ko yung picture sa paghuli ni Looney. Yung picture.
Pag, ano?
Yung nahuli na si Looney. Yung picture ng high end na kush ba yun? Strain na marijuana.
Oh, bro, that's not kush, bro.
Pinakita ko man, like, yung smoke na kaibigan ko kanina, like, much better, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Better.
Taglish, gago.
He said, much better.
Much better, bro.
Much better. Mas
But I
mati.
have one right
Nasa
here,
front daw yun, Treskill yun daw yun.
Huh?
Treskill yun daw yun siya. Nakita like sa news ta.
Nang,
Triskelion siya, you know?
Triskelions like a big frat in
Big frat.
Philippines.
Like
bro.
Acro, Triskelion, Tau Gamma.
Yeah, dude. Those fraternities are.
Bro,
Oh,
you make
fucking
Yeah,
white.
dude.
wrong
There's hella
turn.
cops out there.
This is southwest, this is beside southeast.
Bro, dun tayo sa sa area mo.
Yeah, dito tayo sa area mo.
Para alam mo kung saan yung McDonald's. Saan
Alam
tayo
mo kung saan tayo
magmamatch.
spot.
Yeah,
ulit.
like,
I mean, I know
Trying
some,
to say.
place.
inisip mo kung
Bakit
bakit
ako'y nagkaganito?
Putang ina yan.
Wala akong kwenta.
Saan tayo, bro? Get
Punta tayo
Next time.
It's 2:33 a.m. and we're trying to rap. Di ako nag-film because like, you know.
Fuck, this nigga's vlogging.
I'm high, I'm rapping, bro. We're trying to rap too. Rapping and vlogging, let's go.
Damn, bro.
Yeah. Ayo. Yung hindi ko, man.
Wala ba kotse dyan?
That next time na eh. Pag nagkita
Di ba
tayo.
mamaya?
Nagkita tayo ulit again.
Tanga na, man. Bro!
Hindi mo, bro.
Huh?
Dala mo yung song.
Oh, nandito naman.
Yung bag mo gago.
Nasa trunk.
John,
Bro,
pabukas yung
get that
trunk.
Trunk?
Yeah, open.
Don't worry. Shout out to Pinoy merch, Filipino merch. This is my boy Charles. He need. And this boy's sick too. You good, bro? Sponsoran niyo to ng isang jacket, oh. Tangin na.
We need it.
I mean, the podcast, bro. Oh, bro. Alex. See you, man. Jono.
Bye.
Tong inong yon. What the fuck is he doing, bro? Pop the trunk, bro.
Okay na, tanga na. Buksan mo na. Sado ka na. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ingat tol ah.
Okay, tol.
Next time tol. Pag ano.
Tangin na, hindi ko alam eh. Surprise to eh. Kaya wala akong...
Tanga na, mas natutuloy pa nga yung ganito eh.
Tangin na ako nga.
Diba?
Walang plano-plano eh, no?
Tanga na.
Eh,
Kita
tol.
mo lang kami dude pag ano.
Walang hit-up. Parang ganito na.
Pag Friday, usually naman.
Oo nga. Every Friday kasi may trabaho ko. Dalawang trabaho eh.
Basta pag ano, text.
Yeah. Ay, pasensya na guys kasi di nakalimutan kong gumawa ng outro pala sa video na to. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe like always, na I mean. Salamat sa suporta. Yung new single ko pala, Barkada, kanta in Bisaya, na I mean. Hopefully nagustuhan niyo. If you haven't listened to it yet, nasa YouTube siya and all streaming platforms except for SoundCloud, I think. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Peace out. Sage Butterflex. See you, Flex, ma'am. Peace.